at the Education Auditorium building here at the University of Missouri in St. Louis. And over here we have a very interesting elevator. Check out this floor layout here. So we have a east side and a west side. So what we'll do is take a full round trip on the elevator first, and then I'm going to show you some of the very strange features, I guess, of this elevator. So we'll go down to GW first. And now up to 2. Alright, so we'll get off the elevator down here. Now if you look over here, we've got 4 steps to go up to GE. So let's ride the elevator up 4 steps. If you look out here, what is this floor for? I mean, there's this room here, but it doesn't really say what it is. Also, these are some cool light switches. But there doesn't really seem to be a purpose for this floor. There's the auditorium there. So that's just so strange why this even exists. But it gets even better. So now we'll take a look at 1W and 1E. Yep, that's right. 1E is lower than 1W. which doesn't make any sense. So it goes GWGE 1E 1W 2. Such a weird elevator. So I guess that's pretty much it for this very strange elevator. I'm not sure what brand it is. It's gonna look like Dover Brails, but I'm gonna do a little more research and look at it a bit more. But this elevator is very interesting. This building layout is weird too. So I guess that's it.